starters, they'll be presenting the Skull Rosary, a retelling of ancient myths of Umbra. The name Shiva wielded before civilization began. These are not the stories you heard when you were a child. These are the stories of dark emotions, of lust, of jealousy, of hatred, of passion, of incest, and power. These stories come to life through stunning black and white artwork by Vivek Goyal, Goyal Srivastava, Shujab Bangla, Kishyam Gadgeri, Tarihar Kapadia, and retold by Shweta Taneja.
First of all, let's give them both a very, very big round of applause. Like they said, I talk for a living. They do much more creative things, and it's very, very difficult to get two comics out in in the Indian comic industry, and they managed to do that on one day. They are launching two big books on one day. So once again, don't be stingy with your applause. Let's give a big, big round of applause for them. Okay, both of you sit down. Firstly, Shweta told me, the first thing she told me, she's extremely nervous, and I told her, don't worry, it's all comic book fans here and you're already a superstar in everybody's eye. Two reasons. One is because you've written a comic book, and two, because you're a girl. So that makes you superb in every comic book fan's eyes. Is that right? All of you guys? Have a seat. Alright, so, and why am I sitting in the middle? You sit here. I'll sit on the side so that I can talk to you guys. Alright, so like he said, I have been a big comic book fan all my life. In 2004, and Vivek was a part of this venture that I'm talking about. We started the first comics club in India. If you search us on Facebook, we were on Yahoo groups at that time because Facebook wasn't that big. Now we ideas that you guys have sort of worked on, and the themes that you've worked on. And some of them are a little sort of, well, if not controversial, but still a little out there, and not something that generally you would see written about. Stories like you got something on desire and violence and incest and all of these things. So was it a difficult process working on something like this and thinking of stories like this? What did you think? How do you think the people are going to respond to stories like the ones that you've written in this book?
Well, I hope people respond, if not positively, but there should be a response in terms of a strong response, either a positive or a negative one. As a creative, for me, as a creative journey, for a creative writer, for a creative artist, the whole idea is to cross those boundaries which have been built around us. So these stories are exploring your own self, your soul inside you, as well as outside. So they're like questioning the society, they're questioning the status quo, they're questioning what's acceptable and what's not acceptable. And I think it's very important for us to question that as creative people, because if we don't do it, then who will bring that out? And in a society which is becoming closed again and again, more and more closed, we need to keep on pushing the boundaries in that sense. So that's how those stories are chosen.
I think it's going to be really, really interesting. Of all of you, the people sitting over here, from whatever you've heard about the Skull Rosary so far, firstly, do you think this is the kind of book that you'd want to go and pick up? I mean, just make some noise. Let me hear you guys say yes, no, whatever, because we want to know your reactions to a concept like this. What do you think? Are you going to go and pick up the book, The Skull Rosary, right now? Okay, I see some fans sitting over there, Holy Cow Entertainment fan, that's the great thing. What we're going to do is we're going to give you a chance to meet her. If you have any questions for her, you can go down to the Holy Cow Entertainment stall and ask her. I'm going to ask Vivek a couple of questions. But before we give the mic to Vivek, how about a big round of applause for Shweta? Get a little louder. There you go. Alright, Vivek, I have a couple of